In this video, you'll learn how to turn off simplified layout mode on Slack. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the interface more effectively and access all available features. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. Once the application is open, ensure that you are logged into your workspace. If you are not signed in, you will need to enter your credentials to proceed. Next, locate the channel list on the left side of the screen. Click on the channel labeled All Sample or any active channel you are currently using. This action will take you into the channel's conversation view. After that, find and click on the home icon, which is typically situated in the upper left corner of the interface. This will redirect you to your workspace's homepage where you can access various features. Once on the home page, look for your workspace title displayed at the top of the screen. Click on this title to open a drop-down menu where you can find additional options. Following this, from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This will open a new window displaying various settings for your Slack workspace. In the Preferences menu, navigate to the section labels Accessibility on the left side. Click on this option to reveal accessibility-related settings. Next, look for the option labeled Simplified Layout Mode within the accessibility settings. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust the layout mode settings. After selecting the simplified layout mode option, you will see a description explaining its functionality. To disable this feature, look for the button labeled Turn Off and click on it. This action will revert your interface back to the standard layout. If you would like to try turning off simplified layout mode yourself, you can follow the steps outlined in this tutorial. The link is available in the description and pinned comment below. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.